December 23rd, Israel bombs Al-Falah, a UN-run school in Gaza City sheltering civilians. September 11th, the UN's Palestinian Refugee Agency says 6 staffers are killed in 2 airstrikes in Gaza. These are just 2 examples from a seemingly endless list of Israeli attacks on UN facilities. The UN says Israel has killed at least 200 of its staff. And in October, the Israeli Knesset, saying UNRWA was working with Hamas, banned it from operating in Israel and occupied East Jerusalem. On Monday, the International Court of Justice will start forming its opinion on whether this behaviour meets Israel's humanitarian obligations as an occupying power and UN member.
At its essence, in my view, it will really be about the way that Israel can treat the UNRWA according to the conventions on privileges and immunity of the United Nations, but also in how it controls humanitarian assistance coming in Gaza territory.
The United Nations Relief and Works Agency is the UN body created in 1949 to look after Palestinian refugees. There were 750,000 then. Now, 5.9 million are eligible for UNRWA support. It runs 709 schools, 140 health facilities, also women's centres and microfinancing. UNRWA doesn't just operate in the occupied territories, it's in Lebanon, Syria and Jordan too. But it's in bombed, besieged and starved Gaza where the agency's operations are most vital and most in danger of complete collapse. The ICJ's hearing will run for 5 days and hear from dozens of countries plus the UN itself. However, what it concludes will be an advisory, non-binding opinion. And if it's critical, Israel will likely ignore it, as it has done with previous international legal decisions. But that's only one way of measuring effects.
Whether it has an impact on Israel is one question, but it will have an impact on other states that value international law. In that they will, if that is the finding of the court, they will have to act in such way with regards to Israel.
Together with the ICJ case against Israel under the Genocide Convention, the ICJ ruling that Israel's occupation is unlawful, and the ICC arrest warrants for Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and former Defence Minister Yoav Gallant, legal pressure and international condemnation of Israel is growing. Rory, Challands, Al Jazeera.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.